Greetings, my people. I'll be talking on how to make millions selling agro products, and this is mainly precisely storage business. This is how you make millions by buying, storing, and reselling simple agro products such as the likes of soya beans, maize, corn, groundnut, and the likes in Nigeria. So you just need to know that this business doesn't really, require you exporting, and it doesn't also require much of your time. It's just a simple something, allowing your money working for you, just putting your money into work, which is one of the sweetest things everybody can ever wish for. Putting their money into work and allowing the money to do the work for them. And I will break it down at the lowest way for you to understand it more better. Also, you need to know this business involves three main parts, which is the buy, the store, and the resell, or rather the sell. And now let me explain. Buy. This simply means the time where you have to buy the product when it is low, or rather when it is excess in circulation, and you sell later on. Why? For that of store, you have to store this product so well so that when the time is right, when the time is the rightful time is ready for you to sell, then you can now sell off. So storing here simply means you should be able to store your product so well, because if you don't store it well, it will affect you at the end of the day. That's why it's not just only buying and for the purpose of just storing just like that, but there are some things you need to undergo in the process of storing it and storing it properly, so that at the end of the day, you can be able to take those goods out to the market and sell it well for a better value and premium price. Now, for the part of sell, or rather resell, this is where it comes, whereby you take the goods, the stored goods which you have stored, you take them back to the market and you sell it off. This time around, you sell when the product is off season, right? When you sell when the product is off season, this is where you make the real money. This is where you make something tangible. Let's say, for example, you bought it during the time of low, which is during the time of surplus at 50,000. Now maybe the product now has skyrocketed to, like, let's say 120, 150, 200. Now this is the rightful time to sell off, and when you sell off this time around, you are making very good amounts of money, a very nice profit margin you are making here. So you need to know, and mind you, before you buy your products for storage, you must have already have a ready market. You must have already make an awareness to the people, so that when the time has come for you to sell, you can be able to take them to people who've already told about your storage business, so that they can be the ones to take your goods from you, like they can buy your goods from you, which is very, very important. So, and I believe this information is very important to you listening to me. If this is a valuable information to you, please, I'd like you subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video, you can be able to see them and you watch them as well.